Hi guys, Conan here from LBC. I'm pleased today to introduce you to the newest member of the LBC fleet. This is the MZ250 from Multitel. We've had it on pre-order for the last few months and she's just arrived last week. So let's go and take a closer look. So you might be thinking, why have we invested almost £100,000 in this new piece of kit? So those of you that have been watching the channel will have followed our story and know that a few years ago we went over to Croatia and drove back our previous cherry picker. Well, we've since sold that one a few months back, and in between now and then, we've been hiring the cherry pickers every single week from companies like Smart Platforms, Hype for Hire, Skylift and others. So if we add all that up, we've been spending thousands and thousands of pounds each month hiring the cherry pickers. So we thought it would make much more financial sense to invest in our own cherry picker, and then we also don't have the trouble of going to collect it and drop it back to the depot. So why did we choose the Multitel MZ250? Firstly, because of the height the machine can go to. It can go up to 25 meters working height and it can go 15 meters outreach. It's also got a good cage weight of 250 kg. So you can get two big blokes in the basket. So this cherry picker consists of two parts. The body is an Iveco chassis and the top lifting mechanism is built by a company over in Italy called Multitel. It's put together here just up the road in Luton, and as you can see, it's a nice compact machine. But added to that is the feature of narrow jacking. So basically what narrow jacking is the legs don't fully have to come out to set up. You can set them to narrow jack so that you can take up less floor space when you're setting up the machine, making it more versatile, making it more compact and easier to fit into those hard spaces. So another reason we chose the MZ250 is because of this jib arm right here. This basically allows the machine to go up and over obstacles. So it's really good when we're cleaning the rear roof of houses. So investing in this new piece of equipment is not only good for us, but it's also good for our clients. It allows us to do our job more professionally, more reliably, and also to do the work at height safely. As well as this, we'll also be offering out this machine with an IPAF qualified operator to other industries. People like the film, production and TV industry, other industries like builders, painter and decorators, electricians and plumbers, aerial installers, arborists, just to name a few. So thanks for watching. I hope you've enjoyed this short video all about our newest investment in the MZ250. If you've got any questions, please leave them in the comments below. And if you've got any upcoming work or projects that you'd like us to look at, we'd love to help. Click here to subscribe to our channel. Click here for some roof cleaning videos, or click here for some pressure washing videos.